Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix JioCinema app error on your Android phone. So as you can see guys, when I'm trying to open the app, so at that time I am facing this type of errors. Oops, something went wrong, please try again. Okay, so finally I have got the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So when you are facing this type of problem, so 99% reason behind this error is this guys. If your internet connection is not good, at that time you can face definitely 100% this type of error. Okay, in case your internet connection is too good, working fine, only on JioCinema app the internet is not working, now you can try this easy and simple fixes. So first you need to restart your device. Okay, after restarting, just enable the airplane mode one time and disable it. After doing this guys, open the JioCinema app. Now it will fix your problem. Okay, still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try this next method. Now you need to open the Google Play Store and simply update the JioCinema app from here. So just in the Play Store search JioCinema app and update it. Okay, after updating, it will also help you to fix your problem. In case after updating your problem was not solving, you can try this next method. Open your phone settings, go to apps or application manager, just open it, go to JioCinema app, go to storage, clear the caches and clear the storage of this app. After doing this, go back and here you can get the option data usage, just tap on it and here you need to enable and disable one time background data of this app. After doing this guys, restart your phone one more time. After restarting, now it will fix your problem 100%. Open the JioCinema app, now it will work 100% fine on your phone. Okay, so this is the easy and simple solutions to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.